Most car horns are either too soft or too timid sounding. If you want more attention on the road, let us teach you how to change the sound of your car horn in just a few steps.
Tools you would need to change your car's honk: horn set, spanner, and a screwdriver.
Locate where the horns are. Most vehicles, it's behind the front grille. Remove the grille. Remove the cables of the old horn. Remove the old horn. Swap in the new horns. If your car comes with only one horn, add additional wires for the second one. Install the grille.
Okay.
Alright, let's test it out.
Oh wow, it sounds so much louder.
And you're done.
What are we going to do with this used horn?
We're going to make a portable horn device. This portable horn device can be used to scare away pests, including humans. So before we start, we'll be needing a battery, a car remote control set, wires, wire tape, soldering iron to make holes, wire cutter, the horn device itself, and the container. We'll be using the container to house the horn device, make holes for attaching the horn, and for the wiring. After fastening the horn, wire up the car remote control module. Just attach the siren cables to the horn. Connect it to the battery. And we are done. Wow, neat and sneaky little thing. Let's test it out. Okay, it's loud. Okay.
Wow!
Now let's hide this and prank some people. This should be a very good spot. Oops, that's loud. Like no reaction one? He found us. Hey, not me. Jasmine did it. Che, not impressed one. Let me. I don't know why it rang by itself. I'm gonna pull the wire off.
Action! Action! Action!